What's going on, guys? Daniel Chipman here from the Subi Sickness. Just because Christmas is over doesn't mean the giving has to stop. What better gift than the Jackhawk 9000? I'm about to do an unboxing, so stay tuned. Let's cut this bad boy open. Ooh. Oh, look at all these goodies we got in here. Alright, this is the main man who sent this out to me. Just a big thanks to a Car Guy Garage. I've been talking to him for a little bit now. He does really awesome work. I'm very excited to see this. This is him there. This is his website if you guys want to go check his stuff out. He's also got an Instagram. It's at a Car Guy Garage. So check him out. He's got awesome stuff on there. You need e-brake levers. You need e-brake buttons, knobs, leather keychains, any of that kind of stuff. He's got you. And look at that, a little personalized note. Just you know, thanking me for all the support, and I thank you back for supporting me. And just a little bit of details about the knob. I really appreciate it, buddy. Just let me know that he included this this nut, so in case my reverse lockout doesn't work. And yes, my Subaru simulator has a working reverse lockout. So he loves the Subaru simulator. He's seen this and seen the Subaru simulator didn't have a knob, and he was like, "Yo, let's get a knob on there." And he sent this out for me. Let's have a look at it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh shit. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I've wanted one of these for so long, since I've been following him on Instagram. Wow. Look at that. I really hope the camera does this justice. I'm gonna have to get this in some light. Wow. So freaking sick. Now that is sick. That might make it to the real car, man. I don't know, man. This is sick. I really like that. Alright, I still can't get over how beautiful this thing is. Let's get it installed. See how she looks. And he sent a bolt as well, just to space it out, just in case the reverse lockout doesn't fit through the hole here. Man, that is so sick. This is just, like I said, I can't get over the quality of this thing. Sick, man. Hey, Zenon, thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate it. You do awesome work. Keep up the awesome work. And if you guys need car parts, shift knobs, keychains, e-brake levers, e-brake buttons, he makes it all. So go hit him up. I'll leave the details in the description. And go give him a follow on Instagram. And I believe he's starting a YouTube channel, so go check that out as well.